Hello awesome people, this is Anand and welcome to another Kotlin tutorial. In this video, I am going to explain about Kotlin comments. So without any further delay, let's start. So the first basic question, what is a comment? A comment is a programmer readable explanation about the code. It's a well-known fact that software maintenance consumes more than 60% of the software lifecycle, and it's a high chance that someone else is going to maintain the code written by you. That's why it becomes very important to make your code readable and easily understandable. To make code easier to read and human understandable, the author of the code writes comments. Kotlin programming language supports two types of comments. First is a single line comment. To start the single line comment, use 2/ and then write the comment you want to add for that code. For example, here we have used single line comment to explain about the function println. Another type of comment is the block comment. Block comments are generally multi-line comments. To start a block comment, use / and asterisk symbol, and then write the comment you want to add. To end the block comment, use asterisk symbol again and /. For example, here we have used block comment to explain about the function println. Now if you have prior Java experience, then you might know that Java doesn't support nested block comment. For example, if you write the block comment like this, and inside this block comment if you try to write another block comment, then Java will throw compilation error. But in Kotlin this is perfectly valid. In Kotlin, if you want, you can use the nested block comments. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. I will catch you guys on the next video. Till then, keep learning and have a nice day.